I was having kind of a rough day in the office one day, and a loan officer from Premium came in, and she's like, "What's up?" And I'm like, I gotta go to Wegmans, I gotta go home, and I gotta cook, I got a broker's open. And she said, "No, you don't. You're done. I gotcha." And that started it.
Do you want to know the real story? I'll tell the real story.
Yeah, I mean, you can tell it if it's...
It's the best. Mike had left the previous company and he went to a different one. We were collecting money for a Calcutta, and when he walked in, he put an envelope down. He goes,
"By the way, I'm starting up my own mortgage company. It's called Premium Mortgage, and I expect you to follow."
I said, "But of course, Mike."
I worked with a lender for a year prior to working with Premium Mortgage. I lost more deals in that first year than I have in the last 12.
Oh my gosh, I have one lender that I will never use again because they almost killed the deal.
I've worked with them all. It's not that they can't get it done, they just don't do it like Premium.
If one of my clients comes to me and wants to use large national lender, I usually shut that right down.
Because many times consumers will walk into their bank where they have savings and checking accounts and think that that's the route that they should go. They don't know any better. They don't know any better.
They just don't do solid pre-quals. Somebody calls up and says that they make X amount a year, and they go, "Okay, well, it's good enough." They don't even check their credit.
Why do other real estate agents work with other lenders?
God only knows. I don't know why you'd work with anybody else.
As a listing agent, you have a fiduciary duty to not only get your sellers the most amount of money you could possibly get them, but ultimately the deal that's gonna make it to the finish line.
They have great loan officers, they have great underwriters.
I have Premium by my side, so I know I have the dream team behind me.
I don't even question a Premium pre-approval. There's no question. It's done.
There's not a lender that embraces technology as much as Premium does.
In the past, you'd have to get a hold of a loan originator on a weekend to do a pre-qual letter. And sometimes they're out on a boat. It's okay. But you didn't get the letter.
There's been many moments since that app has come out with myself or my team, we're under the gun, and the listing agent says, "Hey, listen, I have another offer. If you can get something to me, I'm sitting with the sellers right now. I need it in the next 15 minutes. Without that Quick Qual app, there's no way you'd be able to contact your loan officer, have them re-pull credit and verify if they could actually qualify for that home. You're able to obtain this document in real time. That's a game changer.
You talk about fixing things that are broken and making them work. Mike did that with his cash guarantee.
So the cash guarantee actually helped one of my recent clients who just closed last month get the house with 14 offers.
The cash guarantee from Premium is a cash guarantee. Premium will buy the house where the buyer didn't close on the transaction.
To me, a cash guarantee is better than cash.
When you sign a cash guarantee, you've sold your house. That's the ones that I put up my sold sign right away. Everything that they have is the best that it can possibly be. And if it's not, they're always trying to find a way to make it better, which makes us better. And when they're better, we're better. That's it.